You're watching the $2 million video. Let's break it down. 2 million people get clean water for the first time. Wasting no time. Right off the bat, we've got a close-up of some dirty water in a bottle labeled before. Then with a quick cut, it's gone. And now we've got sparkling clean water labeled after. On screen, Merbis says, 2 million people will get clean water today. It costs just $1 per person, and you can help. Immediately establishing the stakes, the goal, and how attainable it is. Right there in the first few seconds, you've got the audience hooked. Then we dive into the problem. Millions of people still rely on unsafe water sources, causing disease, school dropouts, and preventable suffering. We see images of villagers walking for miles to collect unsafe water. Next, we see a map of the world with multiple red dots indicating where WaterAid and other NGOs are working together to solve this crisis. We see footage of the team drilling wells, setting up filtration systems and rainwater tanks, and all of this happening at a rapid pace. Then comes the payoff, the moment that changes everything. Clean water flowing for the first time. We see the pure joy and relief on the faces of these families and children. Many of them are tasting clean water for the very first time. Within days, entire communities have access to clean water for decades to come. As the video progresses, we see more reaction shots, more families benefiting from this incredible initiative. By the time we reach the 5:30 mark, we've seen just how big the impact is. Over 2 million people reached, thousands of local jobs created, and sustainable infrastructure built to last. Then it's time for the call to action. Merbis and Mark Rober on screen together saying, join #TeamWater. Donate $1 equals 1 year of water. Share this video. Help us hit $40 million by August 31st. With that, Merbis takes a clean water bottle and dramatically takes a swig. Couldn't resist adding a little comedy at the end. We see text on screen reading, link in description. Every view helps. Then we go out with another upbeat montage of the project sites and a huge thank you to all the contributors. And that, my friends, is how you make a viral video that gives 2 million people access to clean water.